I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1958 Volkswagen Type 2 transporter truck. Extremely clean, completely restored. If you want to find out more information on this ride or any of the inventory we have, click on the link below. It's going to give you underside shots, transport options, and even finance options. Let's go into details on this one. Overall condition, I'd rate this easily a 8.5 to 9 out of 10. Shows extremely well. It does have the rare split windshield as well. All of your bumpers look great. All of your lights look great. They do have the Volkswagen tagging. The front end, look at how cool that is when you come down low. You have your vents up here to allow air to go inside the cabin, and then you have a box up here that will let the air come in. Headliner is extremely nice. All of your glass is nice. Doors open up easily. Look at all the doors edges too. There's no filler, there's no Bondo. Just a nice solid piece. Starts up easily, you can drive it anywhere. It has a 1192cc motor, so 36 horsepower, which we'll show you shortly. And they call it a transporter because this actually turns into a truck bed. So you can pull these latches, the whole thing folds down, and I don't see any imperfections in this bed. We just had it washed, so there's a little bit of water in here. Roof line's extremely clean and the body lines are extremely straight as well. If you want to see underside shots of this one, click on the link below. It's going to have a full gallery, over 100 photos, and every single detail you'd want to see on this ride. To open up the bed or the sides, you just lift these items. There's rubber to protect it. There you go. There's my screwdriver. The wood slats are in great shape. The rear glass and rubbers are in great shape as well. And you can see that there's no rust sounds when you move this. All metal. I'm pulling my trusty tool out. So you can either use a screwdriver or this. Oh, wrong way. Putting the tool in. And that's it. Looks like you're winding the car up. Does have a nice latch here that will hold it in place. There's your 1192cc motor. And it's extremely clean. You can see that they've got this right here. Your battery's over here with the proper grounding. And then you have a tender plug-in port as well. You can eat off this engine. Here's the stamping for the motor. So it's 2239147. And it doesn't look like it was restamped. Fuel pump, your ignition coil, and a rebuilt carburetor. There's also a placard back there that we'll have in the gallery, which you can see all the way in the back. It'll give you the information on the ride. As we look at the passenger side, you're going to see how clean it is. All the wheel caps are in great shape. You do have a little storage box right here, and this actually goes down as well. So you pull these latches and you can pull it down. You can see how nice that is. That's pretty neat. Imagine if you put like an old school motorcycle back here. That'd be top notch for a car show. Little like 50cc Vespa. Let's open up the passenger side door. You can see how nice the metal is once again. You can see the split window. Steering wheel's in great shape as well. Door cards are great and the windows open up properly. All the chrome is very nice. All right, let me start it up for you. So all you do is turn the fuel on, pull the choke out a little bit. It starts up like that every time. You let the choke run and then you bring it down. E-brake's holding it right now. You do have storage underneath here. You can see your little box right here for storage. cold. We just pulled it out. Let's jump in and go for a ride. We're inside right now. Horn works. We got a speedometer right here. Your light controls. 4-speed transmission, working emergency brake, and then how this works, you have a choke, which it's cold right now, and then you have a fuel cutoff. So at this setting, it's open. To go into reverse, you push down and then go back. Forward gear, second, third, and fourth. We're gonna go into the forward gear, take it for a spin. Also, that tool that you saw us use to open all the compartments is stored right here in a little holder. It shifts nicely. It's such a cool feeling to sit in a van like this, or like a Westfalia. I drove all the way up to Mount Pisgah in a van similar to this, and it was amazing.
And then going into second.
It's actually really easy to drive. Going into third. Steering's tight. There's just a rattle back here from the back seat mount, but that's really it. We're in second. You can roll it into second easily. Power delivery is nice. I think it's 36 horsepower. Clutch feels great. Taking a corner here. Brakes are even. Got your little ashtray right here. And then a radio delete plate. I don't think these came with radios. You got your sun visor here, and then you can open this up for air. That's closed. I think this is open. There you go. So at speed, you'll get some airflow in here. It's a single sun visor car, or truck, and that looks original to me for sure. Go into first. Second. Third. Fourth. No slipping, so I'm mashing it right now, it's not slipping. Going at 40 miles an hour. And we've got airflow coming in, which is nice. Let me see. Actually, I may have it the wrong way. There we go. Now we have the airflow coming in. Overall, this is a great cruiser. It's very rare with this design. If you guys are looking for a car like this, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. We're gonna go get some outside shots for you so you can decide if this is the right transporter for you. 1958 Volkswagen Type 2 transporter. God, it drives so nice. Think about that, from 1958.
That's great.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
and it's comfortable. It's not not bad. Turn signals are working as they should. It's idling nicely. I actually have the choke out a little bit. I could probably put it in now that we're temperature. Quiet. Low rear view mirror. And all the glass is etched with the Volkswagen logos. Seats are comfortable. Does this light work? Yeah, the light actually still works. That's neat. Woo! Here come the bumps that we go over every video. Nice and smooth. Hey, and you can drive this anywhere. plant right there. That whole reserve is to cool the power plant. And then if you go there at night, when it's colder, like in November, December, you can see manatees right by the cooling ducts, like tons of manatees. You have to go like behind some of these warehouses and you can see it. So that's a pro tip if you're going to go on a date. Ask Will about it. He'll tell you all about it. So different with this, with the wheels right here. Hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. I sure am. If you have any questions about this ride, give us a call, 954-363-2261. This is definitely turnkey. You can jump in it, you can drive it anywhere. It's not having any issues, no smoke, no hesitation. And surprisingly, it does not leak oil. And I checked to make sure there's oil in there. Thanks again. Let's get some outside shots. Also, you've seen that airplane right there. We are about 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport. So we can pick you up if you want to come look at it. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. See you later.